Hey foodies, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute, but nevertheless I have another classic recipe for you guys. Today I'm going to be making Jamaican style pumpkin rice. This is a very easy and delicious must try recipe, so without further ado, let's get into it. Before I start, here are all the ingredients that I use to make this delicious and easy recipe. In Jamaica, the traditional way to do it is to use the actual coconut, but today I'll be using the packaged one. I also have my pumpkin soup mix to give it a nice flavor. And you want the pumpkin to look like this, very nice and yellow. First, I went ahead and peeled my pumpkin. You want to get the skin off. The skin is thick, so you want to be careful when you're peeling it because the knife can slip and cut you. You probably want to peel it not the way how I'm doing it. So this is what it looks like after it's peeled, nice and yellow and pretty. And I went in and removed the middle part and removed the seeds and all of that in the middle because we don't want that. Next, I cut my pumpkin into cubes. You want to cut it in cubes because if you cut it too small or too big, if you cut it too small, the pumpkin will get smushy, and if you cut it too big, then it's going to be too chunky in the rice. So you wanted to cut it like this or even smaller. Then I went ahead and rinsed it twice to remove any form of dirt or anything that may have came in contact with the pumpkin. So after I finished rinsing it, I went ahead and add a pot to medium heat. I added my vegetable oil. You can use olive oil or any other oil that you want, but I use vegetable oil. Then I added my onions and my green onions, so my red onions and my green onions, and some garlic, and I sauteed that for a little bit. Once I was finished, I added the pumpkins and let it saute for a few more minutes. Then I went in and added the coconut milk, and I mixed the coconut milk powder in 2 cups of water and let it boil for 2 to 3 minutes because we want the pumpkin to soften up, but we don't want it to cook all the way through. While my pumpkin is cooking, I went ahead and rinsed my rice twice in water. And if you're from Jamaica or live in a Jamaican household, then you know rinsing your rice in water is a must. This removes any form of dirt or dust that it may come in contact with while it is being packaged by the manufacturer. And it also removes surface starch and prevents the rice from being sticky or gummy when it's cooked. So after 3 minutes, I checked to see if the pumpkins are ready by using a fork to gently press into it. It's partially cooked, so now I'm going to go ahead and add some more water to it, but this time I'm adding hot water. So this is about a cup of hot water, if not less. Then I add the pumpkin soup mix. I sift it because I don't want the noodle in it because we're making rice, not soup, okay? Then I stir it so that it doesn't lump up in the pot and it doesn't like stick to the pumpkin. Then I went in and added my scotch, bonnet pepper, pimento seed, my fresh thyme, and give it a good stir again. Then I also went in and added some salt and some garlic powder as well as some onion powder, and I give it a good mix again. Then I bring it to a boil and added the rice and 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter. Then I just stir it until the butter is melted. Then I cover the pot and let it cook on medium-low heat for 15 minutes. So when it was almost finished, I opened it and checked to see how it was looking. It wasn't looking too bad, but I could tell that it wasn't ready as yet. So I stir it just a little bit more. You can see how the pumpkin mix makes the rice has that light yellow color. And there you have it, guys, seasoned pumpkin rice. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and possibly comment. Until next time, stay sweet and stay safe. Bye.